Welcome viewers, I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. Today's class, we want to take fractional equation. It is given 5x all over x plus 1 is equal to 4x divided by x plus 3 minus 24 divided by x raised to the power 2 plus 4x plus 3. So we want to solve for the value of x. We want to find the value of x. Kindly watch to the end and be very attentive. Meanwhile, do subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Now, by solution to the question, I am given 5x all over x plus 1 equal to 4x all over x plus 3 minus 24. What I want to do first, I want to factorize the denominator here, which is given to me as x squared. Okay, let's put it this way, but x squared plus 4x plus 3 can be factorized thus. We look for two numbers that we can multiply to get 3. And when we add the same two numbers, we get plus 4x, or plus 4 rather. Now, the two numbers are 1 and the 3, because 1 times 3 will give me plus 3, and the 1 plus 3 will give me plus 4. So I will use these two numbers to factorize this. That means I will have x squared plus 1x, which is x, plus 3x, then plus 3. Okay? Meaning that if I move forward, factoring this, I will have x common in the first bracket to get x plus 1, and in the second bracket what is common is plus 3, which is remaining into the bracket x plus 1. So the two brackets are the same. Now I have it as x plus 3 into x plus 1. Very good. I have factorized the denominator here, okay, which is a quadratic equation. I have factorized it and I got x plus 3 into x plus 1. So I'm going to replace here with the factorized form. And that means here will now be written as x plus 3 into x plus 1. Very good. Maths is life. Do subscribe to my channel. Now we want to move forward. What will we do? I will find the LCM by the right hand side. Okay? And the LCM of the right hand side is x plus 3 into x plus 1. Because x plus 3 here is a factor of what we have here. Therefore, we can now say, from the right hand side, I got 5x divided by x plus 1. And by the right hand side, the factor, the LCM is x plus 3 into x plus 1. Okay? And at the numerator, x plus 3 divide the LCM will give me x plus 1. So I will have 4x into x plus 1. What have I done? X plus 3 divide the LCM here will give me x plus 1, because x plus 3 will cancel out with the x plus 3, leaving me with the x plus 1 multiplying the numerator, which is 4x. Alright, minus x plus 3 into x plus 1 divide x plus 3 into x plus 1 will give me 1, multiply by 24 will give me 24. Very good. Alright, if we continue moving forward, I will have 5x divided by x plus 1 equal to, I will now simplify the numerator here. 4x times x will give me 4x squared, and 4x times 1 will give me 4x, then minus 24 all over x plus 3 into x plus 1. At this point, what I will do is cross multiplication, and when that happens, I will have it written as 5x into x plus 3, then x plus 1 equal to, I will use this to multiply here to give me x plus 1 into x, 4x squared, okay, plus 4x, then minus 24. Alright, it is now a single equation. Remember, our interest is to get the value of x in the equation. Now, moving forward, you can also see with me that from the left hand side I have x plus 1, and from the right hand side I also have x plus 1. So I can divide both sides of the equation by x plus 1. So I divide the left hand side by x plus 1, and also divide the right hand side by x plus 1, so that x plus 1 at the denominator will cancel x plus 1 at the numerator by the left, and the same thing will happen by the right hand side, cancelling out, leaving me with 5x multiplying x plus 3. So we open the bracket to have 5x times x is 5x squared, and 5x times 3 will give me 15x, equal to, what I have here now is 4x squared plus 4x minus 24. Alright, I want everything by the right hand side to move to the left hand side, and it will give me 5x squared minus 4x squared, moving this to the left, then plus 15x, moving 4x from the right to the left will give me minus 4x, then plus 24 rather, everything equal to 0. That is minus 24 coming to the left hand side. As we move forward, 5x squared minus 4x squared will give me x squared, okay? 15x minus 4x will give me plus 11x, and then plus 24 equal to 0. Another quadratic equation has come up, and what we do is to solve it quadratically, and let us go by factorization as well, since we started by factorization from this point. Alright, we look for two numbers, exactly the same thing I did here, okay, this point, I factorized it. We look for two numbers, we multiply and get plus 24. And when we add that same two numbers, it will give us plus 11. Please hit the subscription button, subscribe to my channel as you watch the video. Alright, two numbers I multiply and get plus 24, and when I add that same two numbers, I'll get plus 11. And the two numbers can be 8 and 3, because 8 multiplied by 3 will give me 24, and the 8 plus 3 will give me 11. So I have x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 24 equal to 0. Exactly what I did here. So I can now factor what is common. From the first bracket, x is common, leaving me with x plus 8. And in the second bracket, what is common is plus 3. Okay, inside the bracket I have x plus 8. So that 3 times x is 3 plus 3x, and 3 times 8 will give me 24. So everything is equal to 0. At this point, the two brackets are the same, so I pick one of it and then have x plus 3, okay, into x plus 8 is equal to 0. This means that each of the brackets is equal to 0. Therefore, on moving forward, you can now agree with me that it is going to be this way. The first bracket will be x plus 3 equal to 0, implies that x is equal to minus 3. From the second bracket, x plus 8 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to minus 8. Now, we have gotten these two values, but from the given question, let us evaluate the answers we have gotten. If we put x minus 3 here, the denominator will not give us 0. But if we put x here, minus 3. It will now be minus 3 plus 3 will give us 0. And this expression will be undefined. Therefore, we reject this value. Rejected. Okay? That is, what it means is that x cannot be equal to minus 3, because when x becomes minus 3 here, okay, I will have minus 3 plus 3, which is 0. And anything over 0 is an undefined expression. Therefore, we conclude that the answer is equal to x equal to minus 8. Final answer. I want to encourage you, you can put this value x equal to minus 8 into all the places that x appeared in the given question and see if the right hand side will be equal to the left hand side. And trust me, it will give you exactly equal. That is, both sides of the equation will be equal when you replace the value of x equal to minus 8 in all the places that x appeared in the question. I believe and I assure you both sides will be equal. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching till the end. God bless you.